the coolest things ever that mommy ever made. So hit that like button now and comment, share down below. And this is good. So you need to get, hello, this is so cool. Guys, just like it and buy it now.
Gusto ko itong tone-up sunscreen na to. Isang apply lang, protected ng skin ko sa araw na siya. Isang apply lang, protected ng skin ko sa araw at feeling ano pa. At may instant glow pa at talagang fresh ka everyday. Perfect ito for everyday use. At saka hindi siya malagkit. Magaan lang siya sa balat. At ito ay, this is a Korean sunscreen. Kaya talagang, ang ganda niya sa face. Oh, super. Talagang protected ka dito kasi meron itong SPF 50+, PA+++++. Perfect ito kapag nagmamadali ka sa umaga, wala kang time mag-makeup. Super perfect nito. Kahit walang makeup, mukhang blooming ka pa rin at fresh ka pa rin talaga. Check nyo na yung link habang nakasale pa.
Are you finished? Are you already finished? Yeah.